Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix AirPods that are not showing up on Bluetooth. So first of all, let's go to settings. And as you can see, I have no devices shown from the AirPods. So what you're going to do, you have a few options. You're going to open up your AirPods case and they have to basically come up there automatically. I'm going to open up the case right now. And you have to wait. And as you can see, I can click on connect. So I'm clicking on connect. I'm gonna hold the button on the back. And now they will connect. They are connecting. So I can customize the settings of this. I'm not gonna do that right now. But what it also can be is that you're not connected, but you see your AirPods here standing. You click on the E and then you click on forget this device. Click on it and click on forget device. So next thing is what you're going to do, how to make your AirPods show up on the Bluetooth, is always open up your Bluetooth case of your AirPods case, but now hold the back button for a longer period. So I mean like 30 seconds, maybe even longer. And what this will do, it will give your AirPods a hard reset. And after this, it will definitely show up. So I hope this helps. And if you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you.